It's a beautiful chopped cheese. Hey guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect chicken chopped cheese. I'm gonna make this sandwich. Chipotle chicken chopped cheese. I have the meat over here. I have the tips over there. You're gonna need some onions, peppers, and cheese. And we're gonna use one of these rolls. So making a chopped chicken, it's not difficult. A lot of people love chopped cheese, which is beef. But in this case, we're gonna make it with chicken chopped cheese. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy this video. And welcome to my new video, which is this video. My name is Victor. Everybody, hi out there. So we're gonna need onions, peppers, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, mayonnaise, a roll, and we're gonna need cheese, and of course the chipotle chicken. And I'm going to show you how to do it in the grill. We're going to use this grill. Well, to be in context, I've been working in this store for almost 2 years, and I discovered that this neighborhood loves chopped cheese. So I've encouraged myself to create a video in order to show the people what's trending here in my neighborhood. All right, so let's do it. We're going to use green peppers, these green peppers. We use onions. And I'm going to use some sazon. And then I'm going to use this chicken. I want to use this chicken, this buffalo chicken, and actually this is chipotle chicken. So I'm gonna slice them. We use this much. I'm gonna put it. Make sure that the onions and peppers are grilled. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm going to add some oil. This is my oil. Chop that up. I told you guys that we're going to need the sazon. I'm going to put some sazon, some black pepper, chop it up. That's why we call it chopped cheese, because it's chopped up. It's chopped. This is where the name comes from. We're going to need a roll of this. We're going to need a roll. I'm going to cut it. Alright. I'm going to put a little butter. So we're going to make toasted. Look at this. Toasted. See how it looks like? This is a beautiful chopped cheese, and we have finished it. I'm gonna put it right here. I can use this one, but I don't want to flat the bread. How beautiful it looks like. I'm going to use 3 slices of cheese. I gotta chop it a bit more. We're gonna make sure that the bread is toasted and also the cheese is melted. So this is not ready, almost ready. So far guys, do you like it what I'm doing? Looks delicious? Let me know. Let me know if you like it. Almost there, almost there, almost there. I want to use 2 tomatoes. 2 tomatoes. Right here, one in here, one in here. Make some lettuce. Lettuce right here. And in this case, I'm going to use this sauce, chipotle sauce. Chipotle sauce. Wow, look at this. Looks delicious. Looks delicious.
Yeah. You got coke to the asshole.
Hasta la half. Look at this, my friend. Look at this. Chicken chopped cheese. Then at this point, it's ready. This is ready.
Papa, they didn't bring the taco.
Good? Look at this, my friends. Look at this. Look at this. What do you think is of this sandwich?
Oh shit.
Look at this. I hope you guys like this sandwich. I hope you guys learn how to make it. It's not difficult. It's very simple. You just need some vegetables, onions, peppers, and that's it. Hasta la half. Here's my friend over there.
Hey, the best deli worker in the world.
Oh my goodness. All right, guys. I hope you learned, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like it.
For life.
Consider subscribe to this
And
channel.
like.